Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Indy 180. The same rules apply for just a regular Indy. You just want to, you don't want to grab right here. You don't want to do that. You want to grab about here, like that. So, once you know how to Indy, and if you don't know how to 180, you're just going to want to kind of come in at a little angle, like that, and twist your body like that. Just like that. Then you could start practicing the full Indy 180, just like this. That's how you do Indy 180.